pin is removed. The Trebuchet is now live and ready to launch. So now our Trebuchet master will carefully step down, do her final checks, making sure all is well on the island, and any personnel is away at a safe distance, for she alone takes responsibility for the launching of the rock. Now, our Trebuchet master is eager to demonstrate the power of this machine, so it's time for us to witness it. And if we are, then we've got to get involved as well. So I propose that we give a countdown for our Trebuchet master from 10. And when we reach the end of the countdown, we shout the command to pull the trigger, which is loose. So tell me, people of Warwick, are you all ready to count? Yes. Come on now, there's lots of you. We're practicing for war. Are you ready to count? Yes. Then let's do it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, loose! And we launch! There she goes, throwing the rock over 150 miles an hour, smashing it all the way past 200 meters. Incredible! Lords and ladies, the Warwick Castle Trebuchet! What a superb shot. Splendid. Now that is not achieved without an awful lot of hard work and responsibility on the shoulders of just one person. So now, good people, it's time to fill your lungs and give a massive cheer for our Trebuchet master, Lily!